Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Mexican stuffed peppers. Alright, I'm starting out here in a skillet. I just browned up 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I don't need to drain this because it's lean beef. If you use fatty beef, you're going to have to drain off the excess grease. Now to that I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of water. And guys, this is a really quick and easy recipe. You're not going to believe how delicious it is and how quick it is. Now I have a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This here is 10 ounces red add and juice and all. And I have a pack of Mexican rice. This here is 5.4 ounces. You can find this stuff anywhere. This is the Knorr's. We're going to get this in there. It's going to give us all that good seasoning in there. I'm going to stir that in. You just want to mix everything in there good. Get your rice nice and soaked in that water because you want it to cook. Alright, now I'm going to put a lid on this, and I'm going to set this to medium-low and let it simmer for about 8 minutes till that rice is tender. Alright, now this is done cooking and the rice is cooked through, I have a 24-ounce jar of thick and chunky salsa. This is mild. You could use any type, like hot or medium. I'm going to dump about half that jar in there, about 12 ounces. And I'm going to stir that into the beef mixture. More in. And this here is really going to add good flavor to that, guys. I had a piece of rice bailing out on me. You just want to stir that in good. Alright, now here I have some multicolored peppers. I have 6 of them. You can probably get about 8 or 10 out of this recipe. If I have extra ground beef left, I'll freeze that. I'm just going to go ahead, I'll stuff one on camera for you. I'm going to fill this about 3/4 of the way up with our ground beef mixture. And I'm going to take some Fiesta blend cheese, Mexican cheese. If you can't find this, taco cheese works just fine. I'm going to put a nice little helping down in there. And I'm going to fill it the rest of the way with beef. And if a little bit spills over in your pan, that's no big deal. And I'm going to pack this full, guys, because I have enough beef. Now I'm going to go ahead and stuff the rest of them, and then I'll bring you back. Alright guys, now that I have my peppers all stuffed, I'm going to take a little more salsa. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon on top of each pepper. And this will just give it a little more flavor. And guys, these are going to be really delicious. Put a little more in that one there. I'm going to take a little more cheese and hit the top of them with a little more cheese. I'm going to try to put these in the oven without them falling over. I should have had a smaller pan or made more of them, but we throw away so many leftovers. I hate to waste. Now I'm going to put a lid on this, and I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven for 25 minutes. After my 25 minutes, the peppers will be cooked through, and this will be ready to go. Alright guys, these just came out of the oven ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I can tell this is going to be hot. You can see it smoking. Ground beef is really delicious, cheesy, loaded with flavor. I'm going to make this not so pretty. I'm going to turn it over, guys, and try the pepper. Pepper still has a little bit of a bite to it, has some texture. If you like your pepper more tender, I'd probably let this go for about 35 to 40 minutes. But it's still really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Mexican stuffed peppers. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.